We're back again with another Tesco Use Up Day recipe. So if you've got a lot of sweet treats left in your cupboards, chocolates, biscuits, marshmallows, raisins, all you've got to do is stick some chocolate, butter and golden syrup or honey into a bowl and melt that down. You can use whatever chocolate you've got left over. Then basically once that's melted, you can add whatever you've got left over in the cupboard. Popcorn, raisins, biscuits, you can use sweets, marshmallows, literally anything that will taste nice. Then all you've got to do is put it in the tray, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours and you've got a lovely, delicious Rocky Road, as simple as that. There's no oven involved in this recipe, so it's super easy to get your kids involved over the summer holidays. If you've got a cupboard full of baked beans and you don't know what to do with them, here's some recipes for Use Up Day from Tesco. First of all, make some nachos. Honestly, this is a lot nicer than you think. Chuck some beans on your nachos, chuck your cheese on top, decorate it with whatever you want, and you've got a really lovely meal that your kids will really love. Next up, grab some puff pastry that you can keep in a freezer, or you could use a tortilla wrap or bread, and make yourself a nice bean melt. If you're struggling to find some of these ingredients, why not check out the Olio app for a little bit of help. Finally, upgrade your beans on toast by making beans on French toast or beans on eggy bread. Dip your bread in, fry it off, and it's totally delicious. If you choose to take part in a Use Up Day, you can make your food go a lot further and save about £260 per year. If you've got some tins of soup left over in your cupboard, here's a recipe for Use Up Day from Tesco that makes you a nice, delicious risotto. You can use whatever tins of soup you've got, whatever veg you've got, just stick it in a pan with some risotto rice, a little bit of stock if you've got it. Keep stirring until the rice is cooked and you've got a really delicious meal that is much better than soup and a great way to use up everything in your cupboard.